come to fish the Pitlochrie beat because it's absolutely stunning water, especially for a fly fisher. I'm Bob White and I'm the gillie on the Pitlochrie beat at Stanley, which is situated around Stanley Mills. The beat marches with Catholes at the top and Benkel at the bottom of Horsey. The beat's approximately 1 mile long, double bank, and has in the region of 10 pools, named pools, including the famous Pitlochrie Pool and also at the very bottom Horsey. We're in the 5 trees at the moment, and Conpour is over on that bank, another famous spring pool. And we're now heading down to Horsey through the Woodside over on that bank, which is more of a low water pool. It's a great height here today for Horsey. You've got this top section above us, and then the break below the ledge here, which is a fantastic taking spot at the back of the ledge, right to the tail of the pool. Pitlochrie fishes on all heights of water. Today, obviously the water's quite high, so this Horsey fishes absolutely brilliantly in this height of water. But in the summertime, when the water's lower, there are pools further up the beat that are lovely streamy pools that are good in low water. Road access is from Stanley down to Stanley Mills, and just before you reach the mill, there's a little road goes off to the left, marked Stanley House Private, and that takes you into the beat. The hut, I mainly use the Catholes hut for this beat as well as the Catholes, because it's such a nice quaint hut with good facilities in it.